Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Swara's Sweet Delights. Today I have bought an amazing snack recipe and it's very popular, and this recipe was requested by many of the viewers and subscribers. Today we'll be making Punjabi Aloo Samosa or Samosa, and these samosas turn out to be very crispy and nice and yummy. So let's begin with the recipe. Here we have maida or all-purpose flour. I have taken here 2 cups. This is approximately 250 grams. And here we have ajwain or garam seeds. I have taken here half a teaspoon. Salt we have here for taste. And this is melted vanaspati ghee, which is vegetable oil. And instead of that, you can also make use of clarified butter or desi ghee. And we are going to use it in liquid form. This is not hot, but just I have melted it. For stuffing, we will need half kg of boiled potatoes. I have boiled them, peeled, and I have chopped them. And here are fresh green peas, and I have boiled them also. And instead of fresh green peas, you can make use of peanuts, and you can boil them, or you can make use of dried green peas, but which are very tough and they need soaking time and they take time to boil. So I am going to use this fresh green peas. In spices, we will see here we have cumin seeds, half teaspoon, then half teaspoon of sauf or any seeds. Then here we have coriander seeds, half teaspoon. I have crushed them roughly. And here is half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and a pinch of turmeric powder, or you can make use of 1 teaspoon. Then here is cumin powder. This is again half a teaspoon, and this is half a teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder, and this you can increase or decrease. In case if you don't have this, you can also make use of lemon juice. For grinding masala, we will require a handful of coriander leaves. This is fresh coriander. I have taken here 5 to 6 green chilies, and here is an inch of ginger. I have chopped it into small pieces, and these are 3 to 4 mint leaves. This is for added flavor. You can skip this if you want. We will just add this everything into a mixie jar and we will crush it. You can also crush it into mortar and pestle. I'll add very little water and I'll make a paste out of it. Our paste is ready and I'll just keep this aside. Now to this maida we'll be adding these garam seeds and salt, and we will just mix it well. Now to this we will add this melted vanaspati ghee and we will mix it well. You can see here, when we bring this dough together, it should form like this ball. The texture should be like this. And now we will add water. First I'll add only 1/4 cup of cold water. We have to make a semi-stiff dough out of it, so don't add too much of water at a time. Add little. I'll add more 2 tablespoons. Again I'll add more 2 tablespoons of water. In total we added half cup of water now. Dough is ready and it is neither too stiff nor too soft. It is semi-stiff consistency. And now we will cover this and we will keep it aside for at least 1 hour. You can also make it immediately, but if you keep the dough for rest, the result will be nice. Now we'll be making the stuffing, and for that in a pan I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'll be adding cumin seeds. Once this cumin seeds sizzle, we'll be just reducing the gas flame, and then we will be adding this any seeds or sauf and crushed coriander seeds. Also I'll be adding a pinch of asafoetida, and we'll just saute this all well. Now to this we will be adding our grounded paste, and we will again saute it well. Now one by one we will add other spices. We will add garam masala and turmeric powder. Also we'll add cumin powder, then amchur, we will just saute it all well. Now to this we will add peas, and now to this we'll be adding our boiled potato. We will add some salt and we will mix this all very well. I will just mash these potatoes as I like my potatoes to be mashed. You can keep big chunks if you like. We have added salt and amchur powder again, and I'll just mix it well. Now to this I'll just add half teaspoon of red chilli powder for that extra spice. You can skip this step, but I just want my samosas to be nice and spicy. Also, by adding red chilli powder, the color of this sabzi will change a bit. Now I'll just cover this and we will just cook it for 2 minutes on low flame. It's been 2 minutes now and our stuffing is ready, and we will just top it with some fresh coriander leaves, and we will let this mixture cool for some time before making our samosas. It's been 1 hour now and we will just check. You can see the dough has set properly and we will make balls out of it now. Here I have taken one ball and we will start rolling it, and meanwhile I have also kept oil for heating. We have to make an oval shape roti. You can see here our roti is oval shape. Also, one thing here I would like to tell, that this should be thick. The roti should be thick and not thin. And now we will just cut it into half. And likewise we will prepare all the rotis and keep this aside. And just cover this with damp cloth. Now all our sheets are ready, and I will take one sheet, this half, and I will just make a triangle of it, and we will just join this point so that this will get closed like this. Just press little bit with your fingers and you'll get a cone. You can see the hole has been closed. And now to this we will add our stuffing. We have filled it, and now I'll just, this portion, this is the joint portion, and this portion we will just make a fold like this, and we will twist it like this, and here inside we will apply little water. And after twisting this, just press the edges together like this so that the samosa will sit like this, and our samosa is ready. You can see, instead of doing this fold, you can also just seal it directly, but this is how the people in the sweet meat shop, they do like this. Now you can see here oil is well heated, but one thing here, it should not be too hot, and while frying the samosas or while adding the samosa to the oil, make sure the flame is on low. And now one by one we will just add our samosas to this hot oil. Frying samosas takes time, since we'll be frying them on low flame, and we have to fry them until they turn golden brown. Make sure to take a big kadai for frying these samosas, or you can make smaller samosas. Now here the kadai has become small. You need patience for frying these samosas. Keep on turning this samosas after interval of every 2 minutes. Here you can see the color is perfect and they are perfectly fried. And now we will take them out. You can see here our fried samosas and they are quite crispy. You can see the crispiness. You can see here. So nice they have turned out. They are quite hot. I will just show you. You can see how crispy they are. Do give it a try for these samosas. They are crispy and yummy. And I've served here with tomato ketchup. You can serve it with mint coriander chutney or tamarind chutney. I'll just show you this samosa. It's how crispy it is. You can see. You can see same like which we get in market or at the sweetmeat shop. Have it hot with mint or coriander chutney or tomato ketchup. Right now I'm going to serve it with tomato ketchup and I'm feeling like having the bite of this. I just can't resist it. Just note down the ingredients and please do try this recipe. I hope you all will surely give it a try and comment me in the comment section below. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.